Welcome, today I'll show you how to change icon shape into a Motorola Moto E22. First of all, open your Play Store and find X icon changer application. This one need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now from the list you need to choose your application. Maybe settings will be nice. Okay. Now from the library of our icon, you choose some icons. Maybe this one. Okay, choose your icon, and now for saving this icon, you need to tap on the top right corner OK button. And now wait a second for generating. And sometimes need to close ads, maybe a few times, so need to wait. Okay, close. Now we got this message, so and I need to tap here add to home screen. So we got success, so go to home screen, and here we got our new icon of our settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.